Thank you.
Apple.
Okay. Wow! Oh, knocked it over. Why don't you put your football down so you have a better grip? Put your football down. Try the football down. Give Mommy your football. I'm just swinging at things. Oh, okay. Ready? Your bat. Okay, go ahead. Oh my goodness. Now try hitting the ball. Oh, you have to be gentle with that thing. A little weapon. Wow, that was a good hit. You knock it right over, huh? I get it. Where are you taking it? Where's it going? Put it on top. He almost got me. We'll go get the ball, you silly bird. Yeah. Okay. Put it down? No. Mommy needs a ball. Can you get it?
It's done. It's back.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Is that a bat in your hand? There it is. Well, I gotta stay out of that range. Hi. Do you see things? What do you see, Emerson? Your turn. Hi.